Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best HP photo printers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the HP Sprocket 2x3-inch Instant Smartphone Photo Printer, a compact and budget-friendly option for photo printing enthusiasts. This device is designed for portability, weighing just 6.1 ounces, making it perfect for carrying in your bag or pocket. Its Zinc Zero ink technology eliminates the need for expensive toner or ribbons, while producing smudge-proof, water-resistant, and sticky-backed photos. The free HP app lets you add filters, frames, and stickers to your photos for a personalized touch. In terms of performance, the Sprocket prints 2x3 photos directly from your smartphone or social media via Bluetooth 5.0. While it's not the fastest printer with a speed of 1 ppm, its focus is on convenience and fun, making it ideal for parties or on-the-go photo printing. However, its small photo size may not satisfy users looking for larger prints. Overall, the Sprocket is a fantastic choice for casual users who want a portable and easy-to-use printer. With a competitive price of $79.99, it's hard to beat for entry-level photo printing. Just keep in mind the limited print size and slower speed. Coming in at number 4 is the HP Sprocket Studio Plus 4x6 inches wireless instant photo printer. This model steps up the game with a larger print size of 4x6 inches and premium dye sublimation technology that produces vibrant, long-lasting photos. The prints are tear-resistant, smudge-proof, and waterproof, making them perfect for preserving your memories. The Sprocket Studio Plus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to connect to your smartphone and print photos instantly through the intuitive HP Sprocket app. Design-wise, this printer is compact and lightweight, yet it delivers professional quality prints. Its customization features, such as the ability to add stickers, filters, and frames, make it a great choice for creative users. However, while the print quality is excellent, the slower print speed of 1 ppm and 18 sheet capacity might be limiting for high-volume users. With a price of $127.49, the Sprocket Studio Plus strikes a great balance between affordability and quality. It's ideal for users who want larger prints and durable photo output without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the HP Sprocket 3x4 Instant Smartphone Photo Printer, which offers a slightly larger photo size compared to the Sprocket 2x3-inch model. Using Zinc Zero ink technology, this printer delivers colorful, sticky-backed photos that are water-resistant and smudge-proof. The portability and lightweight design make it perfect for travel or on-the-go printing. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can quickly print photos straight from your phone. And the HP Sprocket app allows for creative customizations, including filters and borders. In terms of performance, the Sprocket 3x4-inch prints at a speed of 1 ppm, similar to other models in the Sprocket series. While the photo quality is impressive for its size, users looking for professional-grade prints may find the Zinc technology less vibrant than dye sublimation alternatives. Additionally, the 10-sheet input capacity may require frequent refills for larger projects. Priced at $129.99, this printer is an excellent mid-range option for users who value portability and customization. It's perfect for scrapbooking, decorating, or sharing prints with friends on social media. Ranked number 2 is the Lion M100 4x6-inch photo printer, which stands out for its superior print quality and user-friendly design. This photo printer uses thermal dye sublimation technology, ensuring vibrant, fade-resistant prints with a laminated surface that resists scratches and water damage. The package includes 100 sheets of photo paper and 3 cartridges, offering excellent value for users who want to start printing immediately. The M100 features a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot for seamless connectivity with smartphones, eliminating the need for external networks. It supports up to 5 simultaneous connections, making it great for family use. The Lean app provides advanced photo editing tools, including borders, filters, and ID photo printing. However, at 6.32 pounds, it's less portable compared to other models, and its print speed of 59 seconds per photo may not suit high-volume printing needs. At $159.99, this printer is ideal for users who prioritize print quality and durability. It's perfect for professional photographers, families, and anyone looking to preserve their memories in stunning detail. Finally, at number 1, we have the HP Envy Inspire 7955E wireless color inkjet printer. This all-in-one printer is perfect for users looking for versatility. It not only prints vibrant photos with resolutions up to 4,800 by 1,200 dpi, but also handles document printing, scanning, and copying with ease. With print speeds of up to 10 ppm for color and 15 ppm for black and white, it's one of the fastest models on this list. The dedicated photo tray ensures seamless photo printing, while the HP Smart app allows for advanced customization and mobile printing. The Envy Inspire 7955E is designed for home use, offering automatic duplex printing and a 125-sheet input capacity for tackling larger projects. The inclusion of a 3-month instant ink subscription adds value by saving up to 50% on ink costs. However, at 17.9 pounds, it's the heaviest model here, making it less portable. Additionally, it's best suited for users who don't mind sticking to HP's ecosystem for ink and app compatibility. Priced at $159.99, the Envy Inspire is the ultimate choice for families, creative professionals, and anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance photo printer. It's a true powerhouse for home printing needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.